This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Steve Levin Team. Welcome home to the Arbors. Conveniently located in Coral Creek. This gorgeous home has been well loved and shows pride of ownership. Excellent floor plan has many possibilities. Seller has tastefully upgraded the home with granite counters, stainless steel appliances, custom cabinets, upgraded bathrooms, newer roof, newer flooring and baseboards and much more. Fourth bedroom is a large den or flex room that is perfect for home office, nursery, gaming room and can easily be used as a fourth bedroom. High ceilings and lots of closet space will be found here. Exceptionally clean and move-in ready. Large inside laundry room with separate washing sink. Community features community pool and Low Hoa fees. Prime location and excellent schools. Seller has priced to sell and will not last long. Act fast. For more information, review the details below.